Basta except sa Friday.
With everything I've ever done, I give it all to everyone for one more day. Another night I'm waking through another door I walk into, I can't break.
Babe, I wanted to start my vow to say how much I love you. And I did lose some sleep trying to write about it. But I always end up just staring at the paper na may nakasulat lang na babe. Ilang gabi na nakalipas at ilang araw na lang wala pa ako nasusulat.
Don't wait for someone to tell you it's too late, 'cause these are the best days. There's always something tomorrow, so I say let's make the best of tonight. Here comes the rest of our lives.
One night, as I was watching you sleep, I realized that I've been trying too hard to put into words what I really feel about you. At na-realize ko na kaya wala akong maisip na word is because there aren't any that can show you how much I love you.
And it's a winding road, and it's a long.
I still remember how you fell in love with me. Yes, you heard it right. Dahil una pa lang, crush mo na ako. And I still remember how everything happened unexpectedly.
Sa Makati, nag-meet kami doon sa 24/7.
Number one characteristic na nagustuhan ko talaga sa kanya is yung sobrang kalog niya. Kasi sobrang ako mahihayin. So nung unang beses ko siya nakita, talagang napatingin ako kasi ang ingay, umpisa. Pero yun din nagustuhan ko talaga sa kanya. Kasi sa family namin sobrang tayo.
So don't wait for someone to tell you it's too late, 'cause these are the best days. There's always something tomorrow, so I say let's make the best of tonight. Yeah, let's make the best of tonight. Here comes the rest of our lives.
Thank you for making me feel that I deserve to be loved, to be happy, to have someone as amazing as you are. God knows na sobrang grateful ako for having someone like you. Thank you for choosing to love me, even sometimes I make it difficult for you. Kahit na minsan, ang hirap kong intindihin, you always choose to stay.
So don't wait for someone to tell you it's too late, 'cause these are the best days. There's always something tomorrow, so I say let's make the best of.
I'm grateful na nakilala kita and of course na naging tayo. And thank you, babe, for accepting me for what I was. Thank you for believing in me, especially at times that I have stopped believing in myself. I will of course forever be grateful to you.
The best days, there's always something tomorrow, so I say let's make the best of tonight. Yeah, let's make the best of tonight. We'll make the best of tonight. Here comes the rest of our lives.
I promise to take care of our family, especially Gabe and Boy and you. I promise to be your strength, and I promise to love you until the end.
may not be able to promise to be the perfect husband. Ang kaya ko lang ipangako is that I'll do my best na mapasaya kita at may taguyod ng ating pamilya. And of course, I promise as well to be faithful to you. Mahal na mahal kita, asawa ko. This time, legit na asawa ko.